How to select any doctor and schedule an appointment. Step 1. Download the Healthuno Online Consultation App from App Store/Google Play Store and register with the required details. Step 2. Open the app. On the home page itself, the patients can select any specialty doctor using filter option, which is on the top right corner. Also can search using the specialty list or search option. Step 3. After choosing a doctor relevant to the health concerns, click Book Now option. Then choose the date and time slot and proceed to the summary page. Step 4. Fill out your purpose of the consultation and the complaints you are experiencing. Click on Pay and Book and you will be redirected to the payment page. Step 5. The appointment payment can be made via UPI, GPay, PhonePe, etc. methods, net banking, debit/credit card. After a successful payment, the appointment will be confirmed at the scheduled time. How to join a consultation. Step 1. Open the Healthuno Online Consultation App and go the Appointments page. Step 2. The patients can view the scheduled appointment with the doctor on the upcoming list. Step 3. At the exact time when the consultation starts, click on the Join Consultation button and join the consultation. Step 4. Once the consultation completed successfully, on the previous appointment list the shared prescription will be available for reference. You can use the prescription to purchase medicines at any local pharmacy or any other medicine delivery service providers.